Hello and welcome to another episode of MCQs for Judiciary Exams. Let's begin with the first question. Under Section 197 of the CRPC, when is prior sanction required for prosecuting a public servant? A. When the act is committed outside official duties. B. When the act is done in good faith. C. When the act is committed within the scope of official duties. D. When the public servant is a government employee. The correct answer is option C. Section 197 of the CRPC mandates that no court shall take cognizance of an offence committed by a public servant while performing official duties unless prior sanction is obtained from the appropriate government. This provision aims to protect public servants from frivolous prosecutions related to their official duties. Question 2. In the case where a youth was acquitted of murder for the accidental gunshot death of his friend, the Supreme Court held that A. Hiding the dead body infers guilt. B. The prosecution provided a convincing chain of circumstantial evidence. C. Mere act of hiding the dead body does not infer guilt. D. The accused was convicted due to the accidental gunshot. The correct answer is option C. Recently, the Supreme Court acquitted the accused, stating that the prosecution failed to establish a convincing and complete chain of circumstantial evidence. The mere act of hiding the body could not be used to infer guilt, and the court emphasized that accidental deaths do not automatically imply criminal intent. Question 3. Under the Sale of Goods Act, when are the time stipulations considered essential in a contract? A. Always. B. Only if stated in the contract. C. For delivery time only. D. Never. The correct answer is option B. Section 11 of the SOGA Act stands for stipulations as to the time, which states that unless a different intention appears from the terms of the contract, stipulations as to time of payment are not deemed to be the essence of the contract of sale. Whether any other stipulation as to time is of the essence of the contract or not depends on the terms of the contract. Question 4. When must a promise be performed by the promiser himself? A. When the contract specifically states so. B. When it is intended by the nature of the case. C. When the promise involves financial transactions. D. When the promise is related to goods delivery. The correct answer is option B. Section 40 of the Indian Contract Act states that if it is clear from the nature of the case that the parties intended the promise to be performed by the promiser himself, then the promiser must perform it. In other cases, the promiser can employ a competent person to perform the promise. Question 5. For which of the following purposes the court cannot issue a commission? A. For framing of issues. B. To make local investigation. C. Partition. D. To perform any ministerial act. The correct answer is option A. Section 75 of the Code of Civil Procedure grants courts the power to issue commissions for various purposes, including examining witnesses, conducting local investigations, adjusting accounts, making partitions, conducting scientific investigations, managing sales, and performing ministerial arts. Now let us look at a practice question. Court is obliged to take judicial notice of A. All public acts passed by the Parliament of United Kingdom. B. The course of proceedings of the Parliament of United Kingdom. C. Both A and B. D. Neither A nor B. Please provide your answers in the comment section.